So welcome to this brand new tutorial, guys. Hi, my name is Sanjay, and this is my first tutorial on how to develop a basic website. So in this website I'm going to be teaching you about how to develop a simple website using HTML and CSS. So if you guys are new here, definitely this video is going to be helping you out. So if you guys want to learn more videos and if you enjoyed this video, please click on the thumbs up button and also subscribe to my channel. And with that said, let's just get started. So the first thing you want to do, if you're using Sublime Text, you guys are able to use any text editor, but I personally do use Sublime Text. I feel that this is really easy to use. So I'm gonna go to file and new file. So once that's done, this is the first file. It's gonna be HTML file, so I'm gonna save it like tutorial.html. so I'm gonna save that. So that's the HTML file. So I'm gonna open up another file, which is the CSS one. So if you have HTML file and want to design it and make sure that it looks cool, so you want to make sure that you also have a CSS file. So the CSS file can be named something similar to the HTML file, so it's really easy to find it. So using Sublime Text is a really advantage, because when you type HTML and click on tab, the whole HTML base is there. So the title is gonna be the thing that I'll just show you guys an example. Title is what appears over here. So right now the title is the actual part of the file. So if I change the title to say tutorial, you guys can see that it has changed to tutorial. So once that's done, you gotta link your HTML file to your CSS file. So a simple code should be written, such as it should be written in the header folder, so that it doesn't appear on the screen and it is always in the background. So link and tab, so you get this thing. So under the href side, you wanna put your CSS full file name. So once that's done, you save it. So whatever you do in the CSS is always linked to the HTML thing. So once that's done, we go to the body page. So in the body page, whatever you type will definitely appear on the screen. So the first thing is going to be how to add text. So H1, H is called heading. So H1 is there, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. There's a lot. So what does that mean? What does it take into account? So H1 is making sure that the text is as large as possible. So if you want a larger text on your screen, you use H1. So basically now I'm gonna use H1 and I'm gonna say welcome, or basically you just say hello world, what most people do, put on their screens first. So once I refresh, it says hello world, definitely saying hello world. So you guys definitely do see a margin on the top. So that's on the CSS side. I'm going to be teaching you right now on this tutorial, so make sure to stick around. So once we go to the HTML file, you guys can see that I have added a text code. So you guys can also add a H2 or a H3. You guys can really implement and do anything you want with this code, and make sure that it looks as appealing and as clean as possible if you guys want that. So once that's done, the text side, we now want to add an image. So an image tag is really easy to remember, img, and click on the tab, and once that's done, this comes up. So src means source. So here you should put the name of the image that you want to put. So right now I want to add my logo, so it's called M logo. So make sure that it's a PNG or a JPEG. So M logo dot, I think it's a PNG. So I'm gonna save it. I'm gonna go to my web page. Yeah, so this is it. So this is my logo. This definitely does not look good as I told. So we are gonna be resizing it in the CSS file. So now we are gonna be switching to the CSS file. So we definitely want to resize the image. So I'm gonna make a class. So class is what defines the source of the image. So I don't know how to explain it. It makes sure of all the designs and the additional things you put for the image. So class I'm going to define as image, so I'm going to save it. So if you're using a class, you should use dot image dot and the class. By the way, if you're using ID, you have to put hashtag. So once that's done, you have to put the height. No, I'm sorry, that's a wrong code. You have to make sure that the height is 100 pixels and the width is basically 100 pixels. So that's like the base of what you're doing. So I think it'll work. So basically maybe go, so you guys can see the beautiful small logo, so you guys can just resize it. This is just a base tutorial, so hope you guys enjoy. This is the end of it, and if you guys enjoyed, just leave a like on the video and also subscribe by helping my channel out, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye.